What's going on YouTube? Dividend Stock King here with another stock video. On this channel, we talk about the stock market. We talk about how to make passive income, how to have a secondary income coming in with you have to work for it. Today's video is about why does the stock market goes up while the economy is bad? That's a very good question. I don't know all the factors. I'm not a stock expert. This is what was my opinion. As you see here, most of my stocks here have taken a hit. All my stocks took a hit. Okay, the only you gotta think about, you know, with the economy, what hit the economy that took a hit. Now, in 2008, we had the real estate issue, the housing. Real estate took a big hit. Gas was all time like $5 a gallon. Gas was super high, and the real estate market took a big hit. So the economy was doing bad because people couldn't afford their mortgages, so they couldn't buy much stuff. Um, so some sectors do good and some sectors does bad. Then think about this situation with the pandemic, with the pandemic and everything. What hit the economy the most? Okay, so you got to figure everything was closed down: bars, restaurants, churches, schools. So everything associated with that business closed down as far as getting food. Um, the bartenders got laid off, waiters got laid off, the cooks got laid off, uh, the people working at certain places got laid off. Catering business got everything with food related. Hotels took a huge hit during this pandemic, a huge hit. Okay, real estate took a hit, and hotels and resorts took a hit. Okay, now some stuff during this time period took a hit as well, like gas, since people transitioned to working from home and kids they have to go to school, it's mostly virtual. Gas has taken a hit. Gas companies taking a hit because that's gas people are not using on a regular basis. You talk about school buses, you talk about people driving for back to work, driving for back to daycare. You got summer, no one was going nowhere during the summer. You know, most things was indoors. You gotta look at what part of the economy is getting bad and who's still surviving. So I can take Amazon, Walmart, Home Depot, Lowe's, those type companies doing well. YouTube, Google was doing well because everybody's at home. Everybody, the internet companies did well. Okay, now more and more people need to depend on internet during the day. Figure like my job, I go to work at a building, so I don't need my internet. But now I'm dependent on my internet to do my job. Okay, so it depends on what part of the economy got hit. Like look at Lowe's, Home Depot. I mean, it was never this busy ever in life. But the only thing that was open was Walmart, some food stores, Lowe's, Home Depot, and they was getting people coming to the stores. I mean, everything was closed up. You can't go to movies. That was closed. So that's why you must be diversified in your portfolio. Um, this management capital is great. CLM and CRF are both funds or ETFs. Horizon does life science, it does health, it does biology. I just got that to 100 shares a couple days ago. Armor Realty, I mean Armor, right here is a REIT. So some stocks took a hit and some didn't. QYLD is an ETF. It has Google, Amazon, a lot of stocks in it. Some took a hit and some didn't. Um, it's good to diversify what you're buying. Like these two here are funds. Horizon is a life science. Armor is real estate. This is real estate as well. River is a fund that has different companies in it. QLOD is another fund. GNC is another real estate. DX is real estate as well. DX, I mean, some real estate companies cut their dividend, but some kept it the same. So most of my house is real estate right now. I do have a lot of funds I'm working on. I'm trying to build up on this as well. But you have to diversify your account. You can't put all your money in real estate. You give all your money in oil and gas. Okay, you can't do it. You have to diversify. Now I took some of my dividends took a hit. I had Apple Realty, Hospitality app stock, and there's no timeline when due back to normal. So you can hold out and don't worry about it, or sell it and invest to the company. Your portfolio will always change. Okay, your portfolio based on the economy, based on where things are going, is always going to change. I changed my plan like 10 times already. I first started buying a stock, get into $1, go to another, get 10 stocks, $10, $10 a month will be. But stuff changes all the time. You got catch stuff on sale, stuff is not doing well. So the stock market goes up based on what people need. If people always need food, people always need clothes, people always need to fix their house up, people always need, stuff to live. That's never going out of business, in my opinion. Food, Walmart, they're not going out of business. People depend on food chains so much. That's not going out of business. Health, life science, health, is not going anywhere. LTC Properties is one down here, like BP. LTC is a nursing home. For seniors. I don't see them going out of business. They did pretty well. The dividend never changed. It never dropped, and their stock price went down a little bit and went back up. Some stuff don't take hits. So it depends on what you do with your stuff. It depends on all that stuff. What you do with your stuff. It depends on what you're invested in. It's what you're invested in. How they make, like I said, how they make money. Can they make money during the downturn in the economy? Can they make money during these times here? That's things you got to ask yourself before you buy a stock. Now, like EPR, they cut the dividend. They cut it. Okay, they have movie theaters, gyms, they have private schools, they have ski resorts. All that stuff is closed. They're all closed. So, if they're closed, they're limited open. I could sell this and make some money, but I'm keeping it doing the long term. I'm keeping it long term, and we'll see what happens. But that's how the stock market goes up, because the economy is bad. The economy is bad doesn't mean much. It depends on who's making money. If we're all locked down and we can't go to movie theaters, we can't go here, we can't go there, but you still go to Lowe's, Home Depot, and you have free time, more people are going to buy stuff, they fix their house up, they're going to buy stuff, do spring cleaning, they're going to fix their car, they're going to do things they couldn't do because they work full time. So just because the economy is bad doesn't mean anything. Sometimes it's a good thing and a bad thing, because you can really, invest in stuff that's really got to hit. You can invest in that. You can, maybe you're investing in something that is foolproof and your stock goes up. So that's the end of the video. And what are your thoughts on that? That's my opinion. I'm not an expert in anything. That's my opinion. So thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe, like, and share the video, and I'll see you next time.